Welcome to Ultra Luxus Club. Today, we're diving into a luxurious and flavorful fish soup that's sure to tantalize your taste buds. This exquisite dish features a rich blend of spices and tender chunks of fish, all cooked to perfection. Join us as we walk you through the step-by-step process of creating this gourmet delight in your own kitchen. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more luxurious recipes. Here's what you'll need: 500 grams of mixed fresh fish, such as cod, salmon, and shrimp, 1 onion, finely chopped, 2 cloves of garlic, minced, 1 carrot, diced, 1 celery stalk, diced, 1 potato, peeled and diced, 4 cups of fish or vegetable broth, 1 cup of heavy cream, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of paprika, salt and pepper to taste, fresh parsley for garnish. Start by preparing your ingredients. Chop the onion, garlic, carrot, celery, and potato. Cut the fish into bite-sized chunks. Heat the olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add the chopped onion, garlic, carrot, and celery to the pot. Sauté until softened. Add the diced potato and cook for another 5 minutes. Pour in the broth and bring to a simmer. Add the fish chunks, paprika, salt, and pepper. Cook for 10 to 15 minutes until the fish is cooked through and the potatoes are tender. Reduce the heat to low and stir in the heavy cream. Let it simmer gently for another 5 minutes. Taste and adjust seasoning if needed. Garnish with fresh parsley before serving. And there you have it, our exquisite homemade fish soup. This luxurious dish is perfect for impressing guests or treating yourself to a gourmet meal at home. Give it a try and let us know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow us for more delicious recipes. Until next time, bon appétit.